Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all have not forgotten your school, because since one semester got over but you have not been to the school, and but you must have been missing at least the video classes which you had got the previous semester, and you had little bit of gap because of your exams and you had holidays. So today I am going to take a first video lesson for the next semester, that is second semester, and the lesson is lesson 3, keeping a promise. So keeping a promise, what do you mean by keeping a promise? Has anyone promised you anything before this? Many things, like maybe your parents, if you get good marks, I promise you to get a new bicycle, right? Or if you behave well and do something, give you some kind of task, if you do this very nicely, then I am going to give you this, I am going to take you somewhere. So these kind of promises you get, right, from your parents. And by chance, if they are not able to fulfill their promise, maybe they have promised you to take outside on Sunday, and if they get busy with some work, and if they say no, today we cannot go, we will go next week, we will go, but next week, how do you all feel? You all get very angry, right? Yes, you all will be like, then why did you promise? You told you will, you have to do that, you have to do, we do this, right? So promise is a very important thing. Whenever you do a promise, you need to see that you have to fulfill it, or else it may even sometimes break trust. Your parents, okay, they promise and they try their best to give you whatever they have promised. Even in schools, you all have friends. Sometimes you do some small promises to them, right? Maybe if you help me out to learn this lesson, tomorrow I am going to get a chocolate for you. You all do this? Yes, we all do that sometimes. So that in today's lesson we have something about promise. We have many characters. We have a king, we have a courtier, we have the chief minister, and king, the king of Nanda, King Nanda of Magad, King Nanda of Magad, and a young boy, Chandragupta. So before I explain the story, I would like to read that, and I want every one of you to repeat after me. So take out your second semester book and open page number 18. Page number 18. So using your index finger, repeat after me.
Lesson 3. Keeping a promise. Characters: King Nanda of Magad, Chandragupta, a young boy, the chief minister, half a dozen courtiers, a messenger from Singal, a doorkeeper. The above names are the characters who have played in this lesson, okay? Go to the next paragraph. King Nanda of Magad is holding court in his palace. Underline the word holding court. Underline the word holding court. He is surrounded by half a dozen courtiers who keep flattering him. Underline the word surrounded. Next, flattering. Underline the word flattering. They are listening to a musician. Underline the word listening. Next, musician. A young boy, Chandragupta, is sitting all alone in a corner. Underline the word Chandragupta. Just then, the chief minister enters. Underline the word chief minister. Now, next, all are the conversation between the characters that are given above. So, repeat after me. Chief Minister: Your Highness, I have come on an urgent matter. Nanda: See, in the above line, underline the word urgent matter. Next dialogue is told by the king. Nanda: Everything is urgent for you. I don't have time now. Fifth courtier. His Highness must have some rest. Sixth courtier. Minister, His Highness is enjoying himself. Please don't disturb him. First courtier. Yes, and you mustn't disturb us either. Underline the word disturb. Next, either. Second courtier. Why don't you sit down and join us? Chief Minister, softly to himself. Here he is speaking to himself, okay? Softly to himself. The king has fallen in bad company. God help him and Magad. Bows to the king and leaves. Third courtier. Let him go, he is a fool. Nanda. Let's have one more song. Courtiers. Yes, let's have one more song. The doorkeeper enters and bows. Doorkeeper. Underline the word doorkeeper. Your Highness, a messenger from the king of Singal is waiting outside. Nanda. Show him in. The messenger enters with a big cage. Nanda. What news have you brought from Singal? Messenger. I haven't brought any news. Your Highness, but my king has sent you this cage. There is a lion in the cage. It is to be taken out without breaking the cage. Here, underline the word Highness. Underline the word Highness. Next, cage. Underline the word cage. Underline the word lion. And next, breaking, without breaking. Underline the word breaking. Breaking the cage. Next dialogue will go, which is told by king, okay? Nanda. Looking at the cage. The cage doesn't have a door. How can such a huge lion can be taken out of the cage without breaking it? To the courtiers. Try and do it. The courtiers close their eyes and pretend to think. Underline the word pretend. The courtiers close their eyes and pretend. Underline the word pretend. To think. First courtier. I have thought hard about it. Other courtiers. We have thought hard too. Nanda. What is the result of your thinking? Courtiers. It is impossible to take the lion out without breaking the cage. Underline the word impossible. Okay, students, turn the page. Nanda. It seems that our friend, the king of Singal, has played a joke on us. Chandragupta steps forward and bows to King Nanda. Chandragupta. Here now the dialogue which is told by Chandragupta. Okay? Chandragupta. Your Highness, the king of Singal hasn't played a joke on us. He has sent this cage with a lion in it to test the wisdom of our court. We must take the lion out of the cage without breaking it. In this dialogue told by the Chandragupta, underline some of the words. Singal. Underline the word Singal. Next, underline the word joke. J-O-K-E, joke. Next word, wisdom. W-I-S-D-O-M, wisdom. Okay. Next dialogue from King Nanda. Nanda. How can we do it? Courtiers. We can't, Your Highness. The boy is a fool. Chandragupta. I can take the lion out of the cage. Nanda, if you do it, I will give you anything you ask for. It is a promise. Underline the word promise. Chandragupta, I want an oven full of red hot coals. Underline the word red hot. Next, coals. Underline the word coals. Nanda, to the doorkeeper, get him what he wants. The doorkeeper goes out and comes back with 2 servants carrying a big oven with burning coals in it. Chandragupta, to the servants, put the cage on the oven. The servants put the cage on the oven. In a few minutes, the lion, which is made of wax, comes melting out of the cage. Here, underline some of the word here. Underline the word oven. Next, underline the word wax. The servant put the cage on the oven. Oven you underlined, right? Next, in a few minutes. Underline the word minutes. The lion, which is made of wax. Underline the word wax. Comes melting out of the cage. Underline the word melting. Nanda. Next dialogue is from the king Nanda. Boy, I am pleased with you. What is your name? Chandragupta. Sir, my name is Chandragupta. I am the son of your commander-in-chief, whom you have put in prison. I hope you will keep your word. Underline the word commander-in-chief. Underline the word commander-in-chief. Next word, prison. Nanda, the king will say, oh, so you are the son of my ex-commander-in-chief. You are going to be punished for it. Courtiers, hear. Messenger, sir, you promised to give the boy what he wants. Nanda, that's right. What do you want, boy? Chandragupta, I want my father to be set free. Underline the word father. I want my father to be set free. Nanda, no, it can't be done. Impossible. Ask for anything else. Chandragupta, I want nothing else. Underline the word nothing. I want nothing else. Nanda, take as much as you want and get away from here. Chandragupta, in anger, I will not take any money from you. King Nanda, you haven't kept your promise. You have insulted me. You will have to pay dearly for it. Walks out of the room in a huff. Underline the word pay dearly and the last words in a huff.
Okay students, I hope you all have repeated lesson along with me. Wasn't it a very interesting play? We had many characters, right? So, the most important character here we had is a king, King Nanda. He was the king of a region Magad. The region Magad was ruled by King Nanda. And he, there were in olden days, in the court of the king, there would be many people sitting along with him, his chief minister, his courtiers. So he had half a dozen of courtiers. Courtiers means what? They are the ones who will be sitting and flattering. What were the courtiers of King Nanda doing? They were flattering him. What do you mean by flattering? They were just praising him and praising him simply. They were not praising from heart. They were just praising to have favors from the king. King is a rich man, right? He has gold and silvers. So to get something from him, they were just praising him. So King Nanda also was sitting with them, and there were some people who were brought there in the court to sing. So they were singing and they all were enjoying the song there. So when they were enjoying, suddenly the chief minister comes there. The chief minister will come and tell, Your Highness. And you see in the textbook, Your Highness. Here Y, your Y, and Highness H. Your Highness H is in capital. Do you know the reason? Because here they call Your Highness to the king in respect. Instead of calling the King Nanda, instead of using the name, they use the word Your Highness. So the word, the letter U and H should be capital there. So he will come and say, Your Highness, he wants to say something. Here Chief Minister wants to say something. But King Nanda was busy hearing the song, so he will stop him. He will not allow him to say what he wants to say. So he will be like, I am busy enjoying the song, you come later. So Chief Minister is a very intelligent person. You know, ministers are mostly, they are very intelligent and the learned ones. So Chief Minister will think to himself that king has got into a bad company. The courtiers who are sitting along with king are not good. They are just enjoying and flattering king, and just, you know, they are not the good friends. So he will think this to himself. So other courtiers also will say, Chief Minister, will you please leave? Our King Nanda is enjoying the song. Don't disturb him. You don't even disturb us. Even we are enjoying. You better go and do your work. So when he leaves, one of the courtier will say that let him leave, he is a fool. So when he went, suddenly the messenger, what do you mean by messenger? Messenger is a man who brings the message. Nowadays we have mobile phones, we get our message very quickly, right? But in olden days, when they were kings, we didn't have mobile phones or phones, anything. They used to send a person with the letter or the message. So the messenger of king of Singhal. Singhal is a friend. Singhal, he is a friend of King Nanda. So this king Singhal, he will send his messenger to King Nanda. So when he is informed that the messenger has come to the court, King Nanda will grant the permission for the messenger to come inside the court. When he comes, King Nanda will ask, what is the message? Why have you come? So the messenger will say, I don't have any message. The King Singhal has not sent any message. Instead, he has sent a big cage. And in that big cage, there is a lion. So King Nanda was very surprised. Why a cage and a lion? So the messenger will say, that cage didn't have any kind of door. There was no door, and the king has told that this lion, can anybody in this court, the court of King Nanda, can anybody bring this lion outside the cage without breaking it? There is no door, but they have to bring this lion outside the cage without breaking it. So all these courtiers who were sitting along with King Nanda, they were not the ones who are very clever or very smart. They were just flattering king, and they were just sitting along with him only for their own gain or their own profit. So here King Nanda was very surprised. He told, okay, all the people, all my courtiers, can you all bring this lion outside without breaking the cage? So all these courtiers, they just acted. They are not smart enough. They don't know how to think also. So they just acted as if they are thinking very deeply. They started to pretend. After thinking a lot, they just told a big dialogue, King, we are thinking a lot about it. So king will ask, okay, you all are thinking, what is the result? So they were like, the result is that this is impossible. We cannot bring this lion outside the cage without breaking. So King Nanda will be like, maybe my friend King of Singhal is is making a joke. He just want to make some joke along with us, so he has sent this. So one boy, one of the important character here, a young boy whose name is Chandragupta, he will come forward and say, Your Highness, no, this is not a joke. Here King of Singhal, he is trying to check the wisdom. He is trying to see how intelligent people are there in your court. He is trying to check the intelligence. So he has sent this lion. It's not a joke. So all these other chief ministers or the courtiers will say, no, this boy is just joking. He doesn't know anything. He is a small boy. Okay. So at last Chandragupta will say, okay, I can do that. So King Nanda will be very happy. All the learned people in the court, they couldn't do anything. You can do. Okay, if you can do, I promise to give you anything that you will ask. Maybe gold, silver, whatever you will ask, I will give you. So Chandragupta will ask once again, do you promise to give me anything that I ask? So once again King Nanda, he is a king, right? King is promising. So he will say, it's a promise, I will give whatever you will ask for. So next, what he will say is, I want an oven. You know, not the oven which you have at home. Nowadays we have a different kind of oven, right? In a small oven in the kitchen. But you know, in olden days, they brought an oven. Oven means a big vessel in which there was coal. Coal is a black or brown kind of carbonized fuel which everyone use. We get it from trees sometimes. So to make it hot, so he will bring the vessel, keep it, and he will start burning the coal. So there will be a big fire. After getting that big fire, Chandragupta will say, keep this cage on that oven. So they will lift the cage with the lion and they will keep it on the oven. So slowly as the time passes, what will happen? The lion will start melting and coming out of the cage. So cage is not broken, okay? The cage is not broken, but the lion was not the real one. It was the lion made up of wax. Wax is a thing, you know, candles. Have you seen the candles? Nowadays you all might be having inverter. But in olden days they used to use candle. When you burn that candle, you know, it used to give you light and it used to become small and small. It used to get melted. You know, it is made up of wax. In the same way, the lion was made up of wax. Because of the fire in the oven, the lion started melting. It came out without breaking the cage. So here King Nanda was very happy. This young boy Chandragupta, he impressed the king. So king was like, young boy, you have pleased me or made me feel happy and satisfied. Pleased means to make to feel happy and satisfied. So what do you want and who are you? When king asks the who are you, Chandragupta will say, I am the son of your ex-commander-in-chief. Before, the ex means the one who is before, not the present one, the past commander-in-chief whom you have put in the prison. Maybe there was something went wrong. Because of that, the father of this boy, Chandragupta, his father is in prison and his father was ex-commander-in-chief of King Nanda. So King Nanda was very angry when he understood that this young smart boy is son of commander-in-chief. So he will be like, okay, what do you want? He will get angry. But he will say, okay, what do you want? He will say, you will have to free my father from the prison. So king was like, no, ask for gold, ask for silver, ask for anything that you want, but I cannot free your father. So this young boy was like, he didn't want gold, he didn't want silver. He was a smart, honest boy. He was like, you had promised and you are not fulfilling your promise. So he will get very angry and he will say, I don't need any kind of gold or any expensive thing. I just wanted you to free my father, but being a king you did not fulfill your promise. So for this you are going to pay for it, or you are going to have a great trouble in future. The boy will get very angry and he will leave the court. See, in this lesson we have many characters, and here the Chandragupta Maurya, the young boy, he was very smart and he wanted to free his father, but in spite of giving promise, King Nanda didn't do that, because of which the boy will get very angry here. As we all get angry when our promise is not fulfilled, maybe by your parents, maybe by your friends. So promise should always be fulfilled. Here we have some of the important words. We will just go through it. King Nanda, K-I-N-G, king. Here see, king is K is capital and N, because it's a name, right? N is capital. King Nanda. Next we have Magad. Magad is the place, okay? M-A-G-A-D-H, Magad. Chandragupta. Here C is capital because it's a name, and name of the young smart boy, Chandragupta. Chief Minister. Chief Minister is the minister of the court, okay? C-H-I-E-F, Chief Minister. M-I-N-I-S-T-E-R. Chief Minister is a person who will be head in the court. The most high is king. After king there will be many ministers. Among them the superior one will be the chief minister. Next we have courtiers. Courtiers means there are the many people who will be sitting in the court along with the king. Next, holding court. Holding court means having a meeting. All were sitting together and having meeting, and there were some singers who were even singing. Holding court means holding a meeting, okay? Next, flattering. F-L-A-T-T-E-R-I-N-G. Flattering means to praise someone in order to get something from them. Next, highness. Highness means someone whom you are speaking. If you are speaking to someone very superior, they use the word highness. H-I-G-H-N-E-S-S, highness. Messenger. M-E-S-S-E-N-G-E-R, the one who brings the message. I already told you, right? Next, King of Singal. Here, King of Singal is the another king in this story, okay? See the spelling of Singal, S-I-N-G-H-A-L, Singal. Next, cage, cage, C-A-G-E, cage. Lion, everyone must be knowing the spelling of lion, right? L-I-O-N, lion. Next, impossible. Impossible is the opposite of possible. Possible, impossible. Look at the spelling. You just have to add I-M to possible, impossible. Next, wisdom. Wisdom or intelligence. The meaning of wisdom is intelligence, okay? W-I-S-D-O-M, wisdom. Next, promise. To give a promise, okay? The title, keeping a promise. P-R-O-M-I-S-E, promise. Next, oven. Oven, I told you. You all must be having a oven at your home, right? In the kitchen. O-V-E-N. See? Spelling is O-V-E-N, but you have to say it oven, oven, okay? Look at the pronunciation here. Coals. Coal is a black stone, rock like small pieces like rock, which it is a fuel. It's a we can get a heat energy from that. Coal, okay? Coals. Next, servants. Servants are the one who work for us, okay? S-E-R-V-A-N-T-S, servants. Next, pleased, to make someone feel happy or satisfied. Pleased, P-L-E-A-S-E-D, pleased. Commander-in-chief. Commander-in-chief is the head who will take care of all the weapons, soldiers, army. Here, chief minister is the head in the court. This chief, commander-in-chief is the commander. When they go for the army to fight against other king in the battle, there will be a person who will be head there. So they are known as commander-in-chief. Okay. Next, prison. Prison is the place where the criminals are kept. Prison, prison. Pay dearly. Pay dearly means here to pay to get a big punishment because the king did not fulfill the promise. Here the boy will say that you will have to pay dearly, means you will have a great trouble because you have not fulfilled your promise to pay, to have a great trouble. So I hope you all have understood the meaning of these words. Go through it once again, read the play, try to act it along with your siblings and have fun. Take care of yourself. Till then, Jazakumullahu khaira.
Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wallahi